Venmo is not a universal bingo cash-out method, so an app claiming to pay real money does not automatically mean you can withdraw directly to Venmo. For 2026, the key is to check the actual withdrawal screen for the bingo app, and confirm that Venmo is listed before you deposit or enter paid games. Number 5 is a bingo turo danamin. It appears on current real money bingo lists with PayPal as a listed payout method, but you should not treat PayPal support as proof of direct Venmo withdrawals. Check the current cashier options inside the app. Number 4 is N Bingo Cash Da. Its official payment support specifically references PayPal and Venmo statements, showing that Venmo can appear in its payment ecosystem. However, the withdrawal process also has a minimum withdrawal amount and a processing fee, so check the current withdrawal screen before playing. A bingo cash tuanda. Number 3 is Ang Blackout Bingo. It is a real money skill-based bingo app, but payout methods can change. Check the current withdrawal options in your account and confirm whether Venmo is offered to players in your location. Number 2 is NJ Cash Bingo. If Venmo appears as an available withdrawal option in your version of the app, follow the in-app cash-out instructions rather than using a third-party service to move the money. Number 1 is the bingo app that currently shows IV Venmo as a direct withdrawal option for your account and location. That is the only reliable way to call an app a Venmo bingo option in 2026. There is one more detail that matters. Venmo's own 2026 documentation says Visa stopped accepting new signups on February 19, 2026, so older guides recommending Visa as a workaround for receiving money through Venmo are outdated. Venmo Help Center Twetumton. That means you should look for direct Venmo support inside the bingo app instead of relying on an old Visa method. Also check the minimum withdrawal, processing time, verification requirements, and any withdrawal fee. For example, Bingo Cash states that withdrawals can take up to 14 days to process, although it says players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Bingo Cash Tuanat. Do not send money to someone who promises to unlock a Venmo bingo payout. Venmo specifically warns about fake prize and cash reward scams and recommends using only official Venmo channels. A Venmo Help Center 3. The key points are simple. Direct Venmo support matters, old Visa advice is outdated, and withdrawal rules can vary by app and location. Your practical next step is to open the app's withdrawal page and verify that Venmo is actually listed before depositing money. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guide guides.